Let's continue and take a look at the Extrude polygon tool. So basically this tool allows you to create custom shapes. So when you click on that, you get a grid. This will be as a guide for you. So I can click somewhere and then create any shape I want. After you finish creating the shape, as you see now, we can extrude that. I can set the extrusion manually using my mouse, or I can come over here and change that to fixed. Let's set it maybe to 50. And now if I click, and now this will set automatically to 50. Or you can change it to flat. So this will create a flat polygon for you. After that, you can extrude that. If I go ahead and reset that, if I create again another shape, if I cross the line, as you see, we get a cross point here. So if I click there, Unreal will delete the extra lines for you. If you don't want that, you can click on self intersections, turn it on, and now if I click, as you see, the line is not finished. You need to close it in order to finish the shape, and now you can extrude it. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. If the gizmo is distracting you, you can click there to hide it, or you can play with the gizmo, rotate it, and then draw on it. Let's reset it. Where is the reset rotation? I think we should be able to reset that, but it seems we can't do that here. Anyway, we can just set it to 0 from here. You can set the values to 0 by 0. The other one is the circle. So you can create a circle shape. Let's move the camera a little bit away. And you can extrude the shape of the circle. You can create a square. And you can create a rectangle. And we have the rounded rectangle too. And by the way, if you want to know the distance, you can see here in the distance, we have the distance from the last point. Before you extrude that, you need to come to the radial slice if you want to increase the slices. So if I go ahead and show the wireframe, you can see here we have a lot of polygons. So I can come over here and decrease it maybe to 8. So you can see we get less polygons. And you can increase the size ratio too to make it rounded. And lastly, we have the ring. Let's go ahead and select the ring. So before you click on the extrusion, you need to come to the polygon tab and change the shape if you wanted to, because after you create the shape and click on the extrude, you can't change it anymore. So before hitting the extrude, you need to come here and change it. And hit complete. So in the next lesson, we're gonna continue.